Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing another eyeshadow palette series video. I haven't done one of these for so long, but anyway, here we are. Today I'm going to be taking the GLAMLITE paint palette, I think it's called. Oh yes, Introducing Paint Palette. The most viral and epic makeup product of our generation. Anyway, I've finally, well, I haven't done it yet, but I've started to rewrite my eyeshadow palette series. This is my old one, and half of these palettes I don't own anymore, and half of the palettes I do now own are not on here. So, anyway, my eyebrows are just the usual, just the Anastasia Dip Brow, Anastasia Brow Wiz, Colourpop No Filter, and Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. And now I'm just chucking on my Peel-Aways in Rumor 01. I'm really excited for today's look. I have an idea in mind already. And I also have a haul to film after this, which I am very excited for. Okay. So, today I'm going to start with the shade of the palette called... I might take Fuchsia first, which is this one here. It's like the pink. And I already know the vibe I'm going for. So I'm prepared. So yeah, I'm taking Fuchsia first. And I'm just kind of putting that on my eye. The first look I did with this palette, awful. Ugly, disgusting, gross. One of my worst piece of works. Worst piece of works. Actually, I don't remember what it is. Let me see if I can find it. Because I'm pretty sure it was awful. I remember being like, oof. Gross. Gross. And I just realised I'm kind of going for a bit of a similar look today. Kind of. But this one's going to be 100 times better. And a little bit different. Anyway, we're putting Fuchsia on first. It's gone on really nice. Very smooth. I do want to buy some more GLAMLITE shadows, but they are always sold out. I really want to get the one called the Cake palette, and it is just always sold out. They do like normal palettes as well, but for some reason their normal palettes do not appeal to me. And by normal I mean like your kind of classic like square palette. Not a food theme or a paint theme or a cake theme, you know. Just like average palette. But I feel like because they have done all these cool palettes, now their normal ones just don't appeal to me. I'm just taking a brush to kind of length out. Like, don't get me wrong, I'm sure they would be beautiful, but I'm just like, you know, you can't do all these cool palettes and then go back to normal. No, I feel like they're kind of like normal palettes are older. I haven't seen like any new ones, it's just they're the ones on Glam Radar. Okay, next I'm gonna go with the shade down here. It's called Burgundy. Just need a bit of a smaller brush. Okay, so I'm taking Burgundy and I'm putting that on next. And then before I go on with my next colour, I'm going to blend these two. Alright. Then I'm going to take the shade called Purple and put that on next. And I'm really going to try and build this one up as much as possible, because I really want this shade to be prominent. This purple shade is beautiful. For some reason I feel like I didn't like it last time, but I love it. I love it. Guys, I'm gonna have to sit down soon and film my plans for the year video for the rest of the year, because we got some stuff happening. We got some hectic stuff happening. And I literally cannot even begin to tell you how excited I am. I want to tell you one thing now, but I don't know. I really want to commit to it. I just don't know if it's going to be possible. But I'm going to try my hardest. I am going to upload twice a day for the rest of the year. Try my absolute hardest. I really don't want to go back on that. It's going to be a lot of work. But I really want to do it. Because I get so bored. Like, I love uploading twice a day. It is so much fun. So much pressure and so much stress, but it is so much fun. Next year, I'm going to take a bit of a step back. I think what I might do is maybe upload every weekday, so 5 videos a week. Just so that I can have my weekends. But yeah, this year I'm really all about growth and growing and getting my name out there, producing lots of content and kind of grinding, you know? Getting my base down, my forte built up. Not my forte, my like portfolio, I guess. I don't know, like, whereas next year I think I'm going to take a little bit of a step back and focus on maybe some more long-term stuff. Alright, I feel like I'm pretty happy with this. Alright, I'm gonna go off camera and cut my crease. I haven't decided if I'm gonna do a half cut crease or a full cut crease yet, but we'll see. Anyway, I'll be back. Okay, so cut the crease now. I decided to go for a full cut crease, and I think I'm gonna take the shade called Coral, which is this shade here. And I'm going to put that on my lid first, because I think I also want to add something else. But I'm going to do this first and see how this looks, and then we'll go from there. So I'm taking Coral. This shade's really pretty. It's so hard to get it like close to the line, but without getting it on the line, like over the line. I just want it to be packed on a little bit more. It's kind of like, seems like it's fading. Then I really wanted to take the turquoise shade and stick that over, but I just don't know if it's going to ruin it. And because I was thinking if I do that, then I will line it with some white. There's also the violet shade. No, not green. There's white, but that's just so something I've done before, if you know what I mean. And there's gold. Let's have a look at gold. Oh, that would actually look really pretty. Maybe I should do gold or sapphire. Oh wait, do we already do sapphire? No. But I was really wanting to take turquoise. I feel like gold looks the best. Maybe we'll do gold. Okay, so I'm gonna take gold. Cute. Alright, I'm gonna do some white liner just to where that gold goes. I think I'll just take my ColourPop No Filter Concealer in a light 00 for that. I'm running out of space on my hand, like it's full today. Okay, now I could do something crazy or I could not. So one choice is to take the P. Louise Acid Rain Paint in Nitro and use that as liner, or the other option is to use black liquid liner. But I kind of want to do this. Let's do this. This is the P. Louise X Mitchell Acid Rain Paint in Nitro. I may end up regretting this, but I don't care. Well, I do really care. I really hope I don't end up regretting this. But there's only one way we're gonna find out, so. This is gonna take me forever. I need like a big chunk of it. I'm probably gonna spend more time cleaning off my hand than my face. No regrets. Not so far anyway. I love this colour. I think it's so beautiful. It looks so cool. Alright, I'm so happy. Okay, I'm going to go off camera now. I've spent way too long doing this, but I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do the rest of my face. My dad also wants me to go inside and have tea. So yeah, I'm gonna do that and then I'll be back. I'll see you guys soon. Okay, so this is the finished look. I went in with the SoJo Beauty lashes in Samantha. Yep. And I love it. I think it looks so cool. I'm so glad that I went with the blue liner and then I did the yellow, I mean the orange and the gold. I just think it looks so nice. So I'm gonna give you guys a close up. This is how it looks. I wish I had made the wing a little bit bigger. Hang on, there's something in my eye. Oh my god. Okay, sorry about that. Yeah, I wish I had made the wing a little bit bigger. But anyway. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!